Hey guys, Lady Borgia here. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what time it is? Once again, it is a Boxycharm time. I don't know anything about what's in this box. It was dropped in my mailbox 2 days ago, but I was busy editing the latest iVideo for you guys because I'm so excited to have my makeup tutorials, whatnot, and this, that back every Friday, and maybe more. But I want to know what's in this box. No clue. I don't do spoilers or anything else, so we have a lot more fun doing this. Mwah. I hope it's something that I love. All right, are you ready? I certainly am after looking at it for 2 days. It's slightly damp. I don't know how that happened. It was raining, but it was in my mailbox, so postman, what were you doing? Anyway, let's go. It is September, and it is Boxycharm time. Give a girl a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and are you ready? Ding, da, ding, ding, dong, ding! Very fast. Hit that notification bell because I am live Monday and Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern, with multiple different series, including a live makeup show now too. Okay, let's go have fun. Hit that bell. Oh my gosh, I'm like reaching to turn it off already. I just want to film the next part. All right, I am ready to find out what is in this soggy box. I probably should have jumped ahead and opened it, but like I said, just trying to get my video in on time on Friday. That doesn't mean I'm only going to do Fridays, but at least I'm back to at least 1 scheduled day and 2 scheduled live streams, and apparently I've lost my mind. Okay, let's see what's in the box. And we've got a card. Ew, the card is damp too. What the heck? Wild flowers. Not what I think of in September, but okay, all right, I'm not looking. Yeah, this is, okay, I don't get it. I'm gonna reach in, and I feel, oh, no, tell me it's brushes again. What is, it's brushes! Shocker! And they're green. Okay, and it looks like eye brushes. Voila. All right, more brushes, huh? Gosh, everything is damp. Here we go, I see it. And of course, once again, it's in the crease for your blind girl. Okay, Vanna White, get with it. Alamar Cosmetics. Ooh, that's where we got that pretty palette a couple months ago. Ooh, okay, I'll pay attention. I can't read that. Ojitos brush set. Made with 100% synthetic fibers, these brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. As I look at the 7 jars of brushes I have right over there. Okay, I think I was doing okay before, but anyway. Oh, I was reading that wrong. The flat flat painter brush. I thought it said panther. What the heck is a panther brush? You never know, they make up new crap all the time. It could be. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color onto your lids, while the fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together. The flat tight liner brush is perfect for your direct color application onto your lash lines. MSRP $18, and we're back to favorites again. It's Jasmine's favorite. Who are these people? Okay, I'll try them out. How skinny is that brush? It doesn't look as flat as I would like. I don't know. Picky girl when it comes to brushes, guys. Next, I feel something round. It's round, and it is, I don't know, look at that. That looks like this Jupiter. They sent me a jar of Jupiter. Laura Geller, New York. Okay, I've heard of that. My nose is almost always right when it comes to the smell of good makeup. Like that Alamar palette. That one, the smell rocked. This has an odd odor. All right. It is Tropic Hues Baked Blush and Brighten. So apparently some kind of blush highlighter combo, which before highlighters was just a blush that had shimmery crap in it. So really nothing new. They're just doing something else, and this is the most horrible thing to read off of. Here we go. Laura Geller. Oh, look, it's the wrong side. Yeah, that's fun. Good job. Okay, here. You see that. Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. Add a gorgeous glowy finish to your cheeks. Which ones? Ooh, I didn't say that. To your cheeks. With this baked blush. Suck it up. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles. They aren't going for this, really. And hand finished into a silky dome of powder. Really? Come on, man. Really? This is too much. This smooth and long-wearing formula is paraben-free and infused with skin-loving antioxidants. MSRP $28. Laura Geller Wild. Valentina's favorite. No clue. Wow. Getting into the handmade baked on terracotta tiles gimmick. Holy crap. Oh, yeah. Okay, what is this? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, it is Hank and Henry. Is that... Please don't tell me it's already up like that. What do you... Uh-oh, I'm scared of opening this. Jesus, I can't make it open. How do you... Oh, it's the wrong way. Oh, I get it. They fooled me. Look at that. I tried to pull it off. What a dingbat. Okay. All right. Oh, I like these kind. No, wait. Kind of. Smashbox has like a diamond-shaped dough foot, but there's a hole in the center, so I don't know. I don't know if this is really my color, but yeah, they fooled me. Got me. It does look like a lipstick. See? There you go. That's why I was like an idiot pulling on it. Probably like a lot of people, so I don't know. I have a little more respect for you. You've got a sense of humor. Or at least who designs your packaging. That was funny. Okay, Hank and Henry liquid lipstick. Oh, do your job, Vanna. Have your cake and wear it too. I don't want to think of cake and lipstick in the same thought. That's disgusting. Who wants cakey lipstick? Okay, anyway. This frosting scented longwear lipstick glides on smoothly. Oh, it's frosting scented. Oh, Jesus. Well, its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. I don't see that they look old. I'm looking. Nope. Look the same. Okay. It's highly pigmented and dries to a stunning full coverage matte finish that never dries out your lips and never transfers. Don't compare it to cake. That's silly. MSRP $17. Hank and Henry Wild, Ashley with 2 E's, favorite. All right, we're gonna look. I feel something else. I feel something bigger, but I want to wait. And it is... I can't read it. Wow. It says wow. And I'm too blind to see the rest. But that's why I have this. Until I get my contacts. Butter London. I look like an idiot. Okay. Butter London Stroke of a Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. Oh, gimmicks. MAC did the roll-on liner, and yeah, it looks just like the MAC one. All right, I don't know why I need to roll on my liner. I like a brush. I very much like a brush, but I will try it. I never wanted to pizza cutter my eye or the other places that I put liners since I do graphics. Butter London Stroke of Wow roll-on liner. Sorry, my hands are a little shaky. Espresso. Create precise ultrafine winged liner looks. I do. With this innovative liquid liner, of course you always need something else. What you're using is never good enough. Did you not know that? Oh, hope you know I'm joking. The ergonomic handle gives... Hold on, I'm sorry. This is too much. The ergonomic handle gives you insane control while creating your liner looks. the roll-on applicator does all the work for you while delivering a pitch black pigment that meets even your boldest standards. You don't know my bold standards, but that's okay. Created with Longevity Complex, this quick drying smudge-proof formula is guaranteed to last. MSRP $19. Butter London Wild. Johanna's favorite. Is it Joanna? Johanna? I don't know. Johanna? I can't see what that is. Okay. You'll see. I do believe there's something large. Please let it see something really good. So far, I'm looking at this. You've got Jupiter, born on terracotta tiles, and this and this. Okay, last thing, get to it, girl. It feels like a book. It is a Nightingale, pretty vulgar. Embrace your beautiful contradictions. It says something about eyeshadow palette. Okay. All right. There's no plastic in it. I'm not happy. I like my plastic sheet. Ta-da! And it's got cool packaging and some more neutral shadows. I mean, they're cute, but I have all these. This is like, you have one or two of the Naked palettes and you got this already. So I will try it out. It's kind of pretty, you know. All right, let me make this sound 400 times better than it actually is. All right. Pretty vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. Yeah, it reminded me of the Naked Smoky palette, which I have over there. That's exactly what it reminded me of. Made up of 12 highly pigmented shades, the Nightingale's palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte, shimmer, and satin shades are soft in texture, and the luxuriously smooth formula makes for easy blending. MSRP $35. Pretty Vulgar Wild, Amber's favorite. Okay, pause for 1 second. Okay, and the magic, I am already back with my Naked Smoky palette. I know, not everybody has this, and yes, I keep everything in its original box. I am that retentive about it. And here we go. Here's this one. Get it out of there. Very familiar. And here is, try to keep it like that. That one. And that one. Oop, there we go. Okay, here's that one. And that one. Yeah, so you got this one. You might want to give away that one. I don't know. I feel so bad because I want to try these things out, and then some of them I try once and then I never use them again. And I feel a little bad because I don't know. I shouldn't. I paid for it. You know, you can try it once and never use it again. So that sums it up. We got, it's cute. It's a little smaller. And if you don't have it, I guess, I don't know. There we go. Brushes, a roller liner like MAC. This, I don't know about the lipstick color, but at least I got a kick out of this. And send me to Jupiter, Laura Geller, with your terracotta tiles and hand baking whatnot. So that is it. Thank you so much for joining me in the unboxing. If you haven't checked out my latest makeup videos, the tutorials, and last one was the 3-in-1 double cut crease tutorial and new product test drive. Like every single thing I used was a new product except concealer that I picked up over the summer, and I have a lot more to show you. I'd rather do that than hauls, than just show you me using what I've never used before, and how to fix makeup disasters without starting over. There's 2 big ones in there. All right, thank you so much. Had a wonderful time with you. Give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ding 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 dong ding, hit that notification bell because I am live twice weekly, Monday and Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern, with multiple different series. And I upload makeup videos every Friday and other days too. And don't forget, feeling better with Borgia. All right, love you all. Lady Borgia.